Europe wants a high-speed rail network to replace airplanes. That's very interesting step taken by Europe. Imagine a network of modern, super-fast and comfortable trains hurtling between every major city in the European Union, providing a reliable, comfortable and sustainable alternative to air travel. That was the vision outlined by the rail industry leaders in Lyon, France on June 29. Amid ambitious European plans to double high-speed rail use by 2030 and triple current level by 2050. Only a massive and accelerated expansion of high-speed network can achieve these hugely ambitious targets, but are they realistic and affordable proposition? It's a question. Unlike many parts of the world, Europe already has thousands of kilometers of dedicated high-speed railway across the country. France, Wolfshire's, TG's, Germany's, ICE and Spain Navy had transformed rail travel over the last 14 years, but they remain largely focused on domestic markets. Even where international high-speed lines have been built, often at enormous cost, national loyalties, stifling bureaucracy and high excess charges are preventing some routes from fulfilling their potential. Now a body of European organizations have committed to a new study highlighted the numerous benefits of an expanded high-speed rail network connecting national capitals and major cities. Most importantly, the group will investigate how to pay for tens of thousands of kilometers of new lines and how radical transformation of the continent's rail network can help the European Union deliver on its Green Deal's vision of carbon neutrality by 2050. Some of that expansion will come on new routes that are planned or under constructions. But many more will be needed to facilitate the vision of European leaders.